So Let's Resin released a Pearlescent UV, but we can't get it in the UK yet.
Oh.
So I developed a little plan.
Did you know?
I did. Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
I wondered if PearlEx from Jacquard do a micro pearl. And I know that if you add it to normal epoxy resin, plain pigment, it gives you sort of a luster within the resin. And I wondered if I put it in with UV, would it cure?
And would it have the same effect?
And would it have the same effect?
Okay.
Would it make standard UV pearlescent UV? So what I did is I took 6 open bezels, added them to tape, and then poured a little bit of UV into those little cups, added 1 drop of Let's Resin dye.
Yep.
And
mixed the hell out of it.
A tiny bit of the micro pearl, and then mixed the hell out of it because I was very curious if it would actually still cure. So
it definitely looks lustery there.
It's very lustery. It was kind of a bit of an experiment. And anyone who watches us knows that I don't do jewellery very often. And I should do because I really enjoy it. It's a nice little, I don't know, it's quite a nice, quick little project that
looks really good as well.
Yeah, you get instant gratification almost.
I'm all for that.
So, yeah, I took the red. This is a red dye, or rose red, I think it was. Tiny bit of the micro pearl, and then added it to that bezel, and then I dropped in. I was just playing at this point.
I was going to say, did you actually have a plan of how you were going to do it?
There was no plan of design. It was just
wing it.
I was winging it. I was just playing, just to see if it would work.
Okay.
I was very curious because I saw a video. I think it was on Toonpish, and I thought, I love those. Went to see if I could buy them. Not available in the UK. And I thought, well, that's just rubbish.
What? So that was a pearlescent.
The pearlescent UV.
Pearlescent UV.
So I thought, well, let's have a go and see if I can make my own.
So if this works, this would be a alternative.
It's an alternative, yeah. And
is it cheaper?
It's a lot cheaper.
Is it?
Yeah, a lot cheaper. So the PearlEx micro pearl, you can get direct from the Jacquard website.
Discount below.
Discount code below. Or in the UK, you can get the small bottle, pretty similar to the size that I showed, for it's under £4.
Okay.
And that, I mean, you put the tiniest amount in.
And how much is the pearl UV?
It's going to be about £30.
Okay, so it's a massive difference then.
Yeah.
So if you've already got UV,
which most of us do, most people have already got standard UV, standard resin dyes, and can just get some of this.
Okay.
It's a cheaper alternative, and I think it looks really pretty.
I think, well, from what I can see there, and I've seen the finished.
You've seen the finished pieces, yeah.
And they are stunning.
There was no rhyme or reason to what I was doing. I was just mixing it all in, and I wanted to do really thicker layers than you probably would normally, just to see if they would cure.
Okay.
Spoiler, they do.
Well, yeah, because I've seen the finished pieces.
Yeah. So, I was quite impressed with how pearly they looked.
They look really good. They really do.
And in this video, I've used resin dyes, but you can also put in alcohol inks, and the Marabou alcohol ink that's got like the I don't know how I would put it, like a glittery sort of effect. It also works in that as well.
Oh, cool.
But I did that.
So you can have a glittery shimmery.
You can have a glittery shimmery thing. Yeah.
that's like your ultimate shiny thing.
Yeah, pretty much. If it's glittery and shimmery, life doesn't get better. Now, this particular one,
What happened there?
I don't know how I ended up with this giant bubble. Anyone beadily spotting the video will notice that I don't like get rid of the bubbles with a lighter, and I really should, but I'm very scared to use a lighter. I don't know why. I just am.
I
But-
liked how you tried to take it through the back of the tape.
I did. I was like, yeah, that's not going to work, is it? That tape that I'm using is the Let's Resin tape, and it's the best tape I've used so far because it doesn't leave. Every other tape that I've ever used has left that horrible residue on the back of it.
Oh, is that what you got that pen for?
Yeah, and I've got a remove sticky stuff pen.
Yeah, it's a special pen that removes just the sticky stuff.
Yeah, but I ran out
nice.
of I ran out of tape, so I bought some Let's Resin one, and it's the first one I've used that just doesn't leave that horrible residue. Now these little, I don't know what they are. They're little shells.
They look like shells, yeah.
Yeah, I got them from Temu ages and ages and ages and ages ago, and I just thought they would actually look quite nice on the bezels.
Yeah.
And I had no real sort of rhyme or reason how to do it, but I knew on the red one I needed to hide that bubble. So I kind of winged that one a little bit, but it works out in the end. So I just quickly popped a bit of UV in the bubble, and then I covered it with one of these shells, which I thought was a little bit of genius on my part.
And it just so happens that the shell was just the right size for the bubble.
Right size. Yeah. Yeah, how fortuitous. It's almost like I planned it.
Almost.
But no, I didn't. I totally didn't. And then it was just pop the shells on and then do a little top coat. Now, I did go over the edges, but I'm really hoping that Kirk has cut all that footage out because no one needs to see the mess that I made.
No, I did.
Oh, see, I didn't need to say that now, did I?
No.
If I hadn't have said that, I'd have looked so much more professional.
You would have, yes.
I'd have looked like I actually know what I'm doing.
I wouldn't go that far.
But anyone who's seen us before knows that that's not the case. Knows that is just not the case at all. So
there was quite the mess.
There was. I don't know how I did it.
Well, you put too much on.
Well, I do. It's because I've got a top-down light. And I really struggle to see clear resin, like where it gets to the bit just before it overflows. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I use that little. I've got a little light that I use.
Your inspection light.
Yeah, that's what I call it. My inspection light. It's an old photography lamp that I've got.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I just went through and I put on some of these shells. After the first one that I had to put in that sort of shape because of the
bubble.
The bubble, I put these into more of a flower-like shape.
Yeah.
And then once I cure the resin, that layer of UV, I give it a quick cure, and I go through them all. And once I was done, I thought I kind of need something else.
I think they look really good as they are because you've got the shimmer of the UV. Those shells, those are really cool because they're like they change. A chameleon?
Yeah,
like a chameleon shell.
They are. I need to find like where I got them from because I want some more.
Well, it's either going to be Temu.
No, I definitely got them from Temu.
Oh, right, okay.
But I need to find like the order that I got them on because I'll get some more because they are really nice. Love them. I do. And what I did is I got some little pearl beads, but they're solid beads. They're not the ones with the holes in. And I just popped those in the middle because I thought that just finishes it off and it makes it look like a
proper flower.
like a pretty flower.
Yeah.
And that was that. So a really quick and simple project, but
So,
quite effective.
but you've not put the pearls on it yet.
No,
That's this bit.
I'm spoilering it.
Yes.
I'm sorry. So here I'm adding a little blob of UV, spreading that around. And that's when I thought I need to add the pearl.
No, I think it does. It just finishes it off.
Yeah.
It does something in the middle. But yeah, I think they look really good.
I was quite impressed with them. I mean, like I say, I don't do a lot of jewelry. I mean, I do, but I don't show it because it's not always that great. But yeah, I was really quite impressed with them. But you can see that that definitely gives it that pearlescent look. So I have to say, I shan't be buying the pearlescent UV. I shall just stick
Make
with
your own.
my I'll just make my own and stick with my micro pearl because it's a lot more cost effective to have the same look. Plus, I'm not limited to however many colours come in the pack. I can have whatever
that's a good point.
whatever colour I want.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was, and it absolutely cured fine. All I did here was I popped it onto my doming mat and I just put a nice layer on the back just because I think it finished the back off a little bit better.
I suppose it makes the back a little bit smoother as well because you've got the edge of the bezel on there.
So I just domed them just to give it that completely finished look.
Yeah.
And feel. But
so they look almost professional.
They look almost professional, yes. And then it was just a case of add some findings. So, do you know what? I had my nails done for my son's wedding, which was 2 weeks ago, and I've kept them on because we've got a party on this coming Saturday. So when this goes out, it'll be last Saturday.
Last Saturday, yeah.
And I thought, you know what? I'm going to keep these nails for that party because it's a black tie do. Oh, the minute that party is done, I am chopping these things off.
And as you can see here, Nikki has just in shot done the bezel on that. But however, she forgot to take the autofocus or put the autofocus on. So it's focused on the jewellery and not what she's actually doing.
Well, yeah. Listen, I feel that every single video there is a criticism of my filming skills from you.
Yes.
Think yourself lucky that I now press record at every point.
Oh yeah, no,
So
you do that.
I feel that actually filming it is step one. Having it every single part in focus is step two, and it's an ongoing process.
It is, which is why I have to keep reminding you.
Yes, you do. So there we have it.
Yeah.
So really quick project, but if you want some pearlescent UV, have a look at the PearlEx Micro Pearl.
Yeah.
Cannot recommend it enough. I love that stuff.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah, I was quite impressed that I did a thing.
You did.
So if you are still with us at this point and you think you would like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well?
And don't forget, we have got our weekly waffle podcast coming out tomorrow.
Yep.
If you're interested in, I don't know what we're talking about, some dark psychology of some sort, give us a listen. Link will be in the description. And hopefully we'll see you again soon.
Yep.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.